everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amber for those of you who don't already know me. And today I have a really special guest and she's one of my best friends. Her name is Joanna.
Hi. Hello. Thank you for having me.
Yes. So we have something really fun planned for you guys today, but before we get started, I'm going to ask Joanna a few questions so you guys can get to know her a little bit more better. Let's start off with your age.
So I'm 25. I'm not 19. I usually get 19, 20, 21. But yeah, I'm 25. I think that...
You don't look like it.
Stop!
Alright, so what is your ethnicity?
So I'm Polish. I was born and raised in Poland, Krakow, and I came here when I was 9.
Okay. What do you do for a living and what are your goals in life?
Ooh. I feel like that's always so tough to answer. Right now I took a break from school. I was kind of more focusing on my health and myself. So I work 2 part-time jobs. I work at Chase Bank and I work at Northwest ENT, which is at the Resurrection Hospital. But my goal this year is to get promoted at Chase, so that's what I've kind of been working on.
Good.
And then on the side, I also model. So technically I have 3 jobs. So that's my life right now. So I feel like I kind of have a lot of goals, but I do like to focus on one thing at a time just so I don't get too overwhelmed. And right now, some of the goals I am working on is my health, modeling, and to travel as much as I can and kind of just to be a role model. Live life to the fullest. You only have one life, so live it count.
And that's one of my favorite things about Joanna. She's so goal driven and we're very like, we connect in a way.
We do.
That like, I don't know, it's just weird. It's just weird.
It's soulmates.
I know.
She's my soulmate.
Yeah. No, it's weird. Like, yeah.
Like, we get each other.
Yeah.
Like, we're best friends.
I know.
It
makes me want to cry.
I know. Stop. We're so cute. Okay, fuck it out. Fuck it out. All right. I love you, girl.
Oh my god, I love you. Okay, so tell us about your hobbies now.
Hobbies. My favorite hobbies that I have are I love to dance. Anyone that knows me, I'm a dancer. You know, I got the moves. I really just love spending, I'm very simple. Like, I think simplicity is beautiful and I love spending time with my family and friends, my loved ones. I love nature, so I love going on hikes, going on walks, and I love the water. I absolutely love the water. The water just speaks to you on a different level, right?
I think in my past life I was a mermaid.
Me too. Like,
no,
the water.
Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, I think, like, I'm serious.
I know, maybe that's why we're such good friends. We're mermaid best friends. Makes sense.
Like, I literally think about it and I'm like, I remember being a mermaid.
Now that you mention it, another one of my favorite hobbies is going to the gym. And I think that's almost kind of how we met.
I think so.
Pretty much. Like, that's like
kind of.
I saw her at the gym.
It's a funny story actually how we met.
Hilarious.
Because we met kind of in like a lot of ways.
We did.
Kind of.
Well, we used to see each other at the gym at Export, and I always used to think you hated me. Oh my god, I swear. I was so intimidated by you, literally. I don't know, like, you're just this pretty cute little girl walking around with this amazing body, and I was like, okay, she knows what she's doing. Like, you always had such a serious, like, focused face, and I was like, I always wanted to compliment you on, like, your outfits or something, and I was like, I don't want to be that girl. I don't know how to do it. I don't know if she's bitchy, if she's nice. You don't know.
Yeah,
girls could be catty sometimes. So I was just always afraid of you, but then...
Afraid of you.
Afraid of you. You were intimidating. And then I met you and I'm like, this bitch.
We had a mutual friend actually.
David.
Oh,
because, okay, so we met or we saw each other at Export, but okay, yeah, we were in class at Harper, right? Okay. And then class ended and we went to, she was in the bathroom, I was in the bathroom, I was like, dude, I know you. I went up to her and I just said, I was like, I know you. You like work out at Expert, right? She's like, yeah, oh my god. And then we kind of like,
and then we were kind of just like talking about how like we both hated the class.
Yeah.
It was like the first day.
I know. Statistics.
And then I went home that day and then I got a text. You asked David for my number.
I'm such a creep. Why are you embarrassing me?
No, it's fine. I'm glad you did. I'm so glad you did.
Excuse me, I really did need help with like the homework.
She asked the wrong girl. You asked me.
Stop. I Like, I don't know. I honestly don't know why I asked you.
I
think it was just, maybe it was just an excuse to like
Yeah.
get to know you and like have a friend that I like knew so. Like I had no friends at Harper.
Yeah.
So knowing you was like amazing.
Yeah. After that, we started going to class together. We were late, and we would leave early.
We
And
snacked.
all we did was bring food and just eat it. That was like where we would have our lunch and leave. We didn't even learn anything.
No.
We would like highlight notes and like make them look pretty.
We did. We really did. We made it look like we're like great students. Nothing.
Yeah. And then she dropped out, and I was like, I can't drop out. And then like 2 days later, I dropped out.
I think I convinced you.
You
I was
did,
like,
you
dude.
did.
I was like, we are doing so bad in this
We were
class.
failing anyways, and I was like, I'd rather have like a what to draw than a F.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, just get out now.
Yeah.
Don't waste your time.
Our friendship kind of just like went from there.
It's like we clicked.
Yeah,
like
we
our
did.
vibes.
Yeah.
It didn't, even if we didn't have anything similar, I feel like our vibes and our mindsets are just
Yeah.
like, I don't know, we just really honestly hit it off.
I know.
Our friendship is a special one.
I know, me too. I'm so amazing. I hate us.
I know, me too.
We get so sentimental about our friendship.
Dude,
I
we
don't
laugh
get
the
like,
same.
I know.
We're so embarrassing.
I never get sentimental, but about our friendship, it's just something like, I don't know. It's not common to have like a friendship like ours.
Yeah, I think that
You know?
if you find someone special to have a special relationship with or friendship with, you should hold on to that because
Yeah.
it's important in life and you don't see much of that. And I know that Amber and I have that special friendship, and she could always count on me and I can always count on her. And
Yeah, exactly. And like we never compete. We never judge each other. We're always there to like give each other advice, and we will tell each other the truth. If we hate something about one another, we will say, well, there's never anything that I hate. But like if we don't like something, you know, we're like, no, like you're not doing that. Yeah.
one of the many things I love about Amber is that she uplifts me. Like she motivates me. Like we motivate each other, we uplift each other, we support each other. We're not competing. Like, I know this may be stupid and not a big deal, but literally every time I post an Instagram photo, like I just see Amber's comments and I'm just like, oh my god, like it just puts a smile on my face. Like yes, that's what we need in this world. Stick together. Who run the world? Girls. Who run the world?
So now that you guys know a little bit more about Joanna and how amazing she is and how special our friendship is, I love you.
Here we go again.
We're gonna move on and do something really exciting. Like we told you guys, we're about to
Cook for you guys. Yay! Which is ironic because we both suck at cooking, but it's fun.
It's fine. We're gonna bring you guys along with us and show you something really fun, simple, healthy, and
Alright, so today we decided to make some tacos! Woo! And fresh guacamole.
Yeah.
Don't forget your guac. Yeah. Now we're making some quick tacos on the go, right?
Yeah, we're really big fans of tacos. Tacos Tuesdays, every freaking Tuesday. So,
Latinas at heart, so you know.
okay, so for the ingredients, we like to keep it sort of simple. We're both
very healthy.
yeah, we don't really like to add extra things, but if you guys want, you can go ahead and do that. So the first ingredient is, of course, the shrimp. And we get the mini ones so we don't have to like cut them up and do all that work. Fresh cut onions, avocados.
We have some fresh tomatoes, some fresh limes. Amber, go ahead and show them our flour tortillas because we're both not big fans of corn tortillas. We chose to season our shrimp with some lemon pepper and some garlic powder.
Some salt. This is salt that I don't like. This is salt that I don't like. I like Himalayan salt, the pink one, because it's healthier for you. This is like disgusting and terrible for you. But we have nothing else, so we're just gonna use it anyways.
I really think we should put our hair up because we really don't want hairy tacos. I'm sure you guys don't like hairy tacos, so all right. So Amber, do you want to play around and get your hands dirty, or? Alright, so we're gonna want to let the onions and the tomatoes saute a little bit before we throw in the shrimp. While they are sauteing, before we throw the shrimp, I'm gonna add some oil to the pan, let the oil heat up so we can fry our hard shell tortillas.
Now we're gonna add the shrimp into our tomatoes and onions.
All right, so I think we are done with our tacos.
Now we're about to try them. And I'm so excited.
I can't wait.
I know, I'm starving.
Cheers.
It's good.
Wow.
So now that we're all full with our yummy, delicious tacos, I want to thank you guys for watching if you stuck around till here. I want to thank Joanna for coming on my channel.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, of course. And since we both had so much fun filming and eating, obviously, we decided to make a little show out of this. It's going to be called the
Amber and Joe Show.
So we will be filming episodes of the Amber and Joe Show once a month, and it's going to be a little bit of everything, like different recipes, kind of like today. We're going to talk about different topics, give you guys life advice, maybe some adventures and like vacations or whatever you guys want to see. So comment down below what you want to see and maybe we'll do it for our next episodes.
Yeah, I'm very excited. Like I said, thank you for having me, and I hope you guys liked this. I hope you liked me, and I hope you guys support.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and if you don't already follow Joanna on Instagram, go ahead and follow her. I'm going to link her Instagram down below in the description box, so go check her out. She posts amazing stuff.
Stop! I love you. Thank you.
If you are subscribed, click the red subscribe button so you can see more of Joanna and me, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.
Like High School Musical.
Yeah.
Tacos.
She's lactose intolerant, so.
Very, yes. And not only that, I'm also allergic. I do break out in like hives on my arms and face. That's it. Why are you laughing? This is a serious condition.
Girl, what are you doing?
Girl, you struggling out here.
It wasn't right.
I think this is John. God. I don't know what to do.
Just sit there and look pretty.
Okay. Okay, I'll try. Okay.
More better.
Yay.
Is that English? More better? A little bit better.
A little bit better. In Polish, you say Kraków, but yeah, Krakow, here we go. I came to the States when
Crackhead, here we go.
Here we go. Okay, let's redo that. Okay.
You just burped like 5 times. I'm not done.
That was nice. Me either, but that was really, really good.
Yeah. Okay, so now tell us.
Take 3.
Something to fix me?
Yeah.
Hello?
Girls who run the world.
We run this.
Hey, well, my mouth was too open.
Mine too, mine too. I was like, hi, look at the shrimp in my mouth. So, what? What's her name? I've been filming for way too long now.
Okay.
I'm over it. Okay. And this isn't the end of... Okay, how do we...